Welcome to the viewers online. Thank you for joining us today. This is the MEAM 510 Robo Battle 2025 Spring Edition. We will be getting started in a few seconds here with our first round. Just some final touches being placed on the field and for all the competitors. Team and blue team.
2, 1, starts.
Mechatronics mode, where the students the additional commands to their robots to attack the nexus. To continue for the first 45 seconds of competition. Once we exited autonomous mode, students will be able to control their robots using remote control and drive towards the enemy team's nexus, hopefully driving down the health points. You can see in your bottom left display, we have health monitors for each of the team. And counting down to the end of autonomous mode, should see some more action here. And we're off. You can see the red team. We have one robot on the ramp making a play for the ramp buttons. Teams can drive down health points by attacking any of the buttons on the field. Nexuses are placed on either end. They also see some translucent swinging arms of death rotating around the main nexus of each team. Whenever those swinging arms of death hit a robot's antenna, that will also drive down health points. Oh, looks like we've got some battle royale going down here on the red nexus end. Oh, we've asked for a hand of God reset. Wow, we're losing points quickly here on the red team. Waldo just hit a reset. Back to 100% health. Devil Dogs is on its last legs here. And Devil Dogs is on a health reset out of commission. Can the John hold on? Can the John hold on here as we drive down IDK? And it looks like IDK and Devil Dogs are both out of commission. We may be able to run away with the show here. Blue's Nexus is losing health quickly. Devil Dogs is back in action. The red Nexus is still at 79 points. Oh, red is coming back strong here. Blue may not be able to drive this home. It's up to Waldo here to keep blue in action. Can Waldo hold on? Can the blue Nexus hold on here? We're down to 10 on the blue Nexus. 9, 8, 7, 6. We may not have enough time here. It's looking like the red team will take it. Round 1 goes to the red team. Job well done to all of our competitors today. As a reminder, we've got a double elimination today, so we should see all 4 of those teams compete again today. Job well done to the John and Waldo. Hopefully they have better luck in their next round. IDK and Devil Dogs will be advancing with their first win. Got about 15 minutes between each round here while the next teams jump in, reset, get their top hats on the robots, so hang tight for our next round. We'll be getting started here in 1 minute. Our next round. We'll be getting started here in a few moments as soon as team name can reset.
Raise your hand and also raise your robot to let the camera see. Okay, so rubber duck. Ooh. Yeah, we have team fish tank on the red on the red team. So here's the blue team. We have Steve LP. Ooh. And we have team name. Okay, are all the teams ready? TAs ready? Okay, so well, I will say game will starts in 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, start.
And we're on here, starting an autonomous mode for round 2. We have Steve IP and team name taking on Rubber Duck and Fish Tank. It looks like Fish Tank has just walked all the way over the ramp and is now attacking the blue Nexus. What a power move in autonomous mode. Oh, being well defended here. Still in autonomous mode, counting down. 3 seconds left. Teams are now able to drive the robots, so we're seeing a lot more action, a lot more speed here. Rubber Duck making a play to get on the other side of the board. We'll have to get by team name and over here. It looks like they're doing a dance here. Team name and Rubber Duck are tangoing in the middle of the board. We have Steve IP stuck in the corner next to his own tower. They've gone for a hand of God reset. Here our Rubber Duck is attacking the center tower. Both Nexuses still have full points. Like we've got a bit of a stalemate here on the board. Don't have a lot of movement. All right, we've got some resets here. Our team name and Fish Tank are back in it. Oh wow, we're getting some extra action here on the blue button. The center tower is almost completely captured here by red. It looks like they went for a hand of God reset on the duck there. Fish Tank is also almost out of commission here. On the ramp, it looks like The red team may be trying to capture it up here. Blue is quickly losing points. Rubber duck is returning to the center tower. Looks like it's been impeded just a bit here. Spinning in circles. We have another robot on the ramp. Now attacking from red. Looks like the ramp may be fully captured for blue. Red team still leading in health points on their nexus here. But the blue team is keeping it competitive. We got a fight up here on the ramp. Center tower is fully captured by red. You may have heard some cheers. It looks like the ramp belongs to blue. Rubber duck is going for the blue nexus now. And they are driving down some points here. Got to watch out for the swinging arms of death because they also drive down the robot points. Team name is fighting hard here on the ramp. Steve IP is trying to recapture this tower. Looks like we may have some technical issues here. As they are indeed contacting that button. Well, you may have a disqualification here. Rubber duck does not care. They are still continuing to attack the blue nexus. Wow, doing some evasion maneuvers here to avoid that swinging arm of death. I believe I'm hearing commentary on the field that Steve IP is shaking the button, not hitting the button. That may be the issue. Here we go. Rubber duck still trying to take down that nexus. Steve IP may opt for a different attack mode here. They are going for the button again. No, back to the center, back to the main attack. Like they really want to avoid those swing arms of death. Blue is down to its last 10 health points here on the Nexus. It looks like red might take this round. Oh, rubber duck is down. They're with 0 health points. Looks like the swing arm of death got them there, so they'll have to wait. Does look like that tower is fully captured, and we've called it for the red team. Round 2 goes to rubber duck and fish tank on the red team. Job well done to all our teams. Rubber duck and fish tank will move on to the next round undefeated. But again, this is double elimination, so we should see all these teams compete again today. Good luck in the next round, Steve IP and team name.
here, before begin the next game, we will introduce the team. So we have the red team, the jump. Ooh. The team Waddle. And on the blue team, we have the team Steve. And also the team Chinem. Okay, so our TA is ready. Yeah. Red team ready? Yes. Our blue team's ready? Okay, game will begin in 3, 2, 1, start.
All right, we're all here for round 3. Steve IP making a hard move to the blue corner there. As a reminder, we are still in autonomous mode, so teams are not allowed to operate their robots via controller. They can only give an initial command for the first 45 seconds. We do have some movement. It's like team name is making a play for the ramp here. It looks like we've got some wall falling action going on. And they will try to attack that blue button or the red button on your left. They're trying to capture the ramp for the blue team. It looks like they will do it. That will start driving down points on the red nexus. The red team, now we are in manual mode, is also making a play. Wow. Team name making a strong play to maintain control of that ramp there. Looks like Steve IP is heading towards the red nexus on the other side, where we have another attack from the red team on the blue nexus. It looks like they're trying to time that approach to avoid the swinging arms of death. Steve IP making a play for that center tower again. Not look like they're pressing the button quite yet, but hopefully they get some better contact. Team name holding it down on the ramp. See if any teams opt for a Hand of God reset. Just a reminder that the robot's not in play. You can be off so they don't interfere with the Wi-Fi signals being sent by the teams currently competing. Red Nexus is being drained right now since the blue team was able to capture the tower on the ramp. Looks like the red team is trying to drive down blue's main nexus here while avoiding the swinging arm of death. Oh, looks like they may change course. Oh, team name maybe trying to get around the robot at the bottom of the ramp. See if they can attack the red nexus on the other side of the board. Steve IP still trying to take that tower in the middle of the board. Waldo, currently out of health points, will have a reset here before it's back in action. Team name down to 18 health points. Steve IP quickly losing health points. Again, there does seem to be some issue with that center tower. If Steve IP's not able to fully press that button and attack. Looks like they're changing course and going for the red nexus. Again, this year we're seeing teams that are trying to avoid that swinging arm effect by doing some pump action here while they attack the towers. Both towers currently being attacked. We have some defense here being played by the red team. Sounds like the whisker switch is being taken. Wow. Blues are mounting a coordinated attack on the tower here. Can Steve IP get back down to the red end to attack the tower? But they're going for the middle instead. Red Nexus is down to 25 points. Looks like the swing arm of death is not quite strong enough to keep driving health points down in the blue Nexus. Team name is still attacking the red tower. Steve IP down to 0 points. We'll take a health reset. Team name fighting hard here on the red team side. Can they take that red nexus down? Keep IP back to full health. Continue attacking the tower in the middle. Major defense being played here. We have lost a wheel. We have a wheel down. I believe that may be the John with a wheel down here on the field. Blue team is able to take it. Major damage sustained by one of the robots on the field. Our hearts go out to you.
Okay, so here will be our next game. So on the red team, we have rubber duck. Yeah. And we have fish tank. On the blue team, we have IDK. Oh, we have devil dogs. Oh. Okay, so our TS ready? So red team ready? Blue teams ready? Okay, so game will start in 3, 2, 1. Start.
And we're off here at the next round. It's like Devil Dogs maybe attacking their own tower here on the blue team. Well, Fish Tank play for the tower, for the ramp here. We're still in autonomous mode. The reminders are 45 seconds where teams are not allowed to send controls or commands to their robot. Once autonomous mode ends, we should see some more action. Seconds away now. And we're off. Upper Duck making a beeline for the blue. Oh, looks like they're going for that center tower instead. Devil Dogs maybe trying to defend or doing the same thing, attacking on the other side. Looks like we've got a fight playing out here on the ramp. Fish Tank versus IDK. Fish Tank is still trying to capture the ramp for the red team. It looks like IDK is trying to stop them. He's better off just trying to attack to capture the tower for their team. It looks like Fish Tank will take the ramp for the red team. Devil Dogs has gone for a reset. It looks like the center tower has been captured for the blue team. Ramp captured for red. Fish Tank has ran out of health points and will be on a health reset. It looks like IDK is trying to recapture the ramp for the blue team. Center tower is captured for red. Rubber Duck is now attacking the blue nexus. This is a close competition. Oh, IDK may be out of health points. Ramp has been captured for the blue team. But Fish Tank is trying to recapture it for the red. If they can just press down that button. This is a close one. Red team's nexus is being driven down by Devil Dogs. They are unfortunately out of points here, and they'll have to wait before they can attack that nexus again. Fish Tank able to drive IDK into the run on the ramp and capture that tower. Rubber Duck has been able to capture the center tower. It's like they're going back to the blue nexus here. Red nexus is still losing points. Devil Dogs will try to recapture that tower on behalf of blue. Got a hand of God reset here for IDK. Ramp has been captured for red. Devil Dogs has recaptured the center tower for blue. And is now heading towards the red nexus. Watch out for the swinging arms of death. It looks like that swinging arm of death nearly took Devil Dogs out, or it did take them out health wise. Rubber Duck will recapture the tower on behalf of red in the center. And Fish Tank will go for the blue nexus, trying to avoid that swinging arm of death. It looks like we have a double attack from the red team on the blue nexus. Devil Dog back in action, trying to attack the center tower and reclaim it. That may be enough. The competition. Rubber Duck and Fish Tank were just able to capture things for the red team. Impressive showing here. IDK and Devil Dogs, I believe, has been eliminated as that was their second round. Very competitive round for all teams.
For this game, we have the red team, Steve. Yay. We have Tinem on the red team, yeah. And we have blue teams, IDK. Yeah, and the Devil Dogs. Wait. Okay, so our TA is ready for the game. Do we have Johnny? Yeah, Johnny, we're about to start. Okay. So our red team's ready. So blue team's ready. Okay, so game will start in 3, 2, 1. Start.
Welcome to our next round. We have a mixed match up here where teams that previously played together are now on opposite ends of the game board. Like we had a top hat. In autonomous mode, we already have IDK attacking the red tower, able to drive down the red nexus in autonomous mode. Very impressive. Devil Dogs is guarding the bottom of the ramp. It looks like T-Name is still making a play for that blue nexus going down the ramp if they can get there. Steve is in the middle of the board, potentially trying to attack that middle tower once again. It's like Devil Dogs is abandoning their post on the tower, potentially going for the red nexus on the other end. Team name is attempting to capture the ramp. So they're not quite pressing the button. They'll try again here. And they are able to capture the ramp on behalf of the red team. Like Steve is having some trouble in the middle of the board here. Devil Dogs defending the bottom of the ramp. Not let team name pass. Well, they actually try to push them back now. IDK now trying to capture the tower on behalf of blue. It looks like they'll do it, although they might be out of health points. They've been pushed off of the nexus, so they have 0 points. They cannot continue to attack with 0 points. And blue health points being driven down because the center tower and the ramp are captured. It's like IDK will return to the red nexus. He again is trying to capture that center nexus. The name is going back up the ramp. It looks like they'll have to play some defense here to hold down the ramp. IDK trying to capture that on behalf of the blue. They are able to take some control of the ramp back. Devlog's playing some defense on the center tower here. Can No Name defend? No. The center tower and the ramp captured by the blue team. IDK will drive Team Name off of the ramp now and play some defense. The blue team may have it here. As the capture of those towers, will just drive down the red team's nexus. Team Name has gone for a Hand of God reset. Can they recover before the red nexus is fully captured? I don't think they can. It looks like blue team will take it.
All right, so Steve and Team Name have taken third place. And then this next match, Rubber Duck currently is undefeated. So Rubber Duck and Fish Tank are currently undefeated going into this match, which means if they win this match, they will be our first place winners. But that said, if IDK and Devil Dogs win this match, then we will have one more tiebreaker match after this round. So Rubber Duck has a chance to win it all, but IDK and Devil Dogs could still come back.
So here we have the red team, IDK. Yeah, we have the devil dogs. So on the blue teams is we have rubber duck. Yeah. And fish tank. Okay, so it will be a good game. So so our TA is ready.
Yeah.
So red team's ready. Blue team's ready. Okay, so the game will start in 3 seconds. So I will count down. 3, 2, 1, start.
The round has here in 45 seconds of autonomous mode to start. It looks like both teams are just waiting in manual mode. Often saying
Standoff.
Rubber Duck and Fish Tank win the round, it will be the final round and they will have swept the competition.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Like we had a start at the end of autonomous mode to try and beat Fish Tank to that ramp. But Fish Tank will be the first to try and capture that ramp. IDK trying to push them off so they are not able to capture the ramp for the blue team. It's like Devil Dogs is has captured that center tower for the red team. Rubber Duck will try to recapture for the blue team. They can target this button. They're having a little trouble here. There they go with the press. IDK and Fish Tank still fighting for the ramp here. What a maneuver by Fish Tank to get around IDK. Fish Tank is down to 0 health. Well defended by IDK. Double Dogs trying to recapture that tower after Rubber Ducks were able to capture. The center tower is again the red team. Looks like the ramp may also be captured for the red team. Fish Tank will try to capture it for the blue team. They may be able to do it. If we have a battle on the ramp, maybe a stalemate there. Rubber Duck will go for the red nexus. We'll have to get some targeting on this button. We've gone for a Hand of God reset. Center tower still claimed by Devil Dogs on behalf of the red team. This battle on the ramp. Oh, that's all lots up there and stalemate. We do have a button issue on the top ramp. You're hearing shots below. They want to make sure that the IDK is able to fully press that button. Oh, it looks like the red team. Wow. Fish Tank has abandoned their strategy and will now try to push IDK off of the button and then potentially try to recapture that ramp. It's like Rubber Duck on the other end is trying to capture that red nexus. They have pushed IDK fully off the ramp. Will they go back and try and capture the center, the ramp tower? Looks like they will. There they go. Devil Dogs and Fish Tank, 0 health points. It should not be moving. And it looks like the red team have taken it. Rubber Duck and Fish Tank suffer their first defeat of the competition. You will have one more sudden death match. We just did a coin toss for the teams to decide which side of the board they would start on. So Rubber Duck and Fish Tank won the coin toss and elected to go back to the red side.
Yes. Okay, so here will be our official final match. So on the red team, we have Rubber Dog. Yay! And we have Fish Tank. So here on the blue team, we have IDK. We have Devil Dogs. Okay, so our TA is ready. Okay, so red team ready. Our blue team ready. Okay, sounds good. So we will start the match in 3 seconds. So I will count down. 3, 2, 1, start.
We're off to our final round. Rematch of the same 4 teams that just played. It looks like they're sticking with that same strategy in autonomous mode. Waiting until manual mode to make them play. Yeah, we have 45 seconds of autonomous mode before manual mode begins. Only 6 several rounds of competition for people to understand where the voices came from. Here we go. Manual mode. It looks like we have a similar strategy. 2 robots will defend the bottom arena while 2 robots will try to take the ramp. Looks like Fish Tank is able to drive IDK into their own button here. Devil Dogs already needing a health reset. Rubber Duck going for that center tower here. IDK back in action, able to attack. Rubber Duck trying to get this center tower button. Devil Dogs will defend on the other end here. Good defense. Center tower has been neutralized. Back to this battle royale on the ramp here. I think we're just going to see whose motor gives out first. Fish Tank losing health points quickly. IDK getting back in the other end of the ramp. It looks like Fish Tank is out of health points. DK, but they've been stalled out in a convenient position and IDK can't quite get around to capture that tower for the blue team. And they are back in action. They will try to capture this ramp on behalf of the red team. Can they do it? Yes. Fish Tank is able to capture the ramp on behalf of the red team, and now they will defend and keep IDK away from that button. Oh, it looks like IDK is able to get to the button. Can they push them off? Like they were successful. It looks like we got 2. Fish Tank is pushing IDK fully off of the ramp. And great defense here from Fish Tank. While that ramp remains captured by the red team, it will drive down the blue team's points. So if they can defend, then long enough, eventually the red team will take the competition. They're losing health points, but they were able to drive IDK into the swinging arms of death. Looks like IDK has asked for a Hand of God reset. And they will be dropped on the other end of the ramp. Fish Tank is back on the attack, although they may have ran out of health points here on the ramp. Center tower has been captured by Rubber Duck on behalf of the red team. Devil Dogs will have to make a play here to either recapture that tower, keep the blue team in it, but it looks like they are also on 0 health points. So we have Fish Tank and Devil Dogs on 0 health points. That means they cannot move their robots. Fish Tank back in action, back to defense here on the ramp. They will keep IDK from pressing that blue button and capturing the ramp on behalf of the blue team. Where did they get these motors? Wow. They've also taken IDK into their own nexus, driving that robot to lose health points while they drive down points on their own nexus. Meanwhile, the center tower has been recaptured on the blue's behalf. Devil Dogs will make a play for the red nexus. Double Duck will try to retouch that tower. And Fish Tank take it and get around. Double Duck and Fish Tank are our final champions. Well done, IDK and Devil Dogs. They will be our runners.
No, I don't think. Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, the one did not happen. I don't think. I think there is. That was so.
All right. What an exciting conclusion to our MEAM 5100 2025 Robot Battle Arena Finals. A very good close performance. Yeah, that was an excellent performance from our finalist teams. All right, so yeah, let's congratulate our final teams one more time. So we have in first place Rubber Duck and Fish Tank. In second place, we had IDK and Devil Dogs. Let's hear it for those teams. Very respectable. They did not give up that victory easily. And in third place, let's hear it again for Steve and team name. And in fourth place, we also have the John and Waldo. Let's hear it again for them. So, yeah, congratulations everyone on a wonderful performance. This was one of the most exciting matches of Robot that I've seen played. So, a very great performance by all teams. And let's thank our TAs as well. They've been working very hard to put this on. So, can I give a round of applause for the TAs? All right. All right. All right. So, congratulations everyone on all your hard work. This is a very great performance.